Procurement Tabletop exercise has been an excellent experience. The blending of perspectives from the state, federal, and suppliers has been a unique and valuable experience.
Discussing and coordinating crisis scenarios before they happen leaves us better prepared to react, particularly when a rapid response can save lives.
Understanding the supply chain sources and challenges can help us make better decisions.
Procurement can and should be an integral part of the state's emergency response.
The planning that's gone into this event demonstrates the commitment that each of the attendees has to build better relationships and serve our states to the best of our abilities.